Hello to all my subscribers or anyone that happens to come upon this video. My name is Wanda, also known as Wonderfully Made. So after cleaning and all that, for all you that have followed me and know what I've been through, I want to stick with positive things. And, you know, they always say you have to find your niche. Well, I haven't found my niche. So I'm just going to make a video on makeup and the things that I do know. I don't wear makeup much. I sometimes wear a little bit of lipstick and a little bit of eyeliner. Sometimes I put it in the bottom. Sometimes I put it on the top. So as you can see, I'm not a makeup person. This is the way I went to work today. My nails are usually done, but they're not done. They just got clear on. So I have heard of this thing that they say that cinnamon plumps your lips. So I'm going to test the theory. So I don't even know how much I'm supposed to use. But I have a little cup right here. And I'm just going to put a little bit of cinnamon. There's like a drop of water in there. I'm just going to put some cinnamon in there. Oops, I put a lot, but that's okay. I'm going to mix it. I would like to get my lips done, probably the top lip. I wouldn't mind having that done. So I mix it like so. This is my first makeup tutorial, so let's see how it goes. So I have a little mirror here. I'm going to apply it. They say it's supposed to tingle. So let's see. Apply it like so. Like so. Tastes so freaking, I can smell the cinnamon as I'm applying it. This is the first time I try this. So I have come across videos of guys that do makeup with I don't even reach their toes. And girls, I mean, they're awesome the way they do their makeup, you know. And I know that you call this the pubic bone or pubic bone. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Pubic bone. Pubic bone. Okay, we'll stick with pubic bone. This right here. This part right here. So I'm applying the cinnamon. Tastes good. So I don't feel no tingling sensation going on. I don't even feel my lip, like my lip is getting plumper, so I'm gonna apply some more. Okay, I feel a little bit of tingling now. I'm going to turn that light back on back there. Excuse me. I don't know if it'll help, but I heard that when you're doing videos, I should lift this too. I need to take some weights out of there because I'm also going to get a nice stepper that I saw in Sears. I want that stepper so badly. I think this light should come back here. Give me a minute, guys. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Pardon me. Just give me a second. So I saw this wonderful stepper in Sears today that I would love to get. It's $1,000. But we'll see. You know, we'll see. Because I have to also fix this room. This is gonna work. Okay. I think the lighting's better now. There. So you can see I felt a little bit of tingling sensation. But you know what I'm going to do, guys? I am going to remove this like so. Remove it like so. And some more. I really didn't feel anything. I didn't feel anything at all. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Maybe I'm supposed to leave it longer. I don't have much patience. Patience is a virtue, something that I practice all the time. So, we're going to apply some lipstick. So, that's what I have in this bag is Major League lipstick. I just got this one over Christmas. It's the Rihanna lipstick. So, this is what the girl at Sephora told me. She said that during the holidays, they had ran out of this. This, I was like, I want it. It must be a big deal. I want it. So I got it. She applied it. It's all right. But this is the second time I'm going to try it. I just need to find a nice little brush here. Actually, I need to find a lip liner. So that's the Rihanna lipstick. Guys, see? I don't even know what color it is. This is the Rihanna lipstick. I also got this lip liner that will go around the edges of my lips. Oh my God, that was cinnamon. That will go on the edges. She told me how to apply it, so I'm going to show you guys. So that's that, and my lipstick brush. So she told me always start at the corners right here, right there, and right here. I don't know why. But seriously, she gave me a mirror. And just apply like so. And like so. And like so. And then, I'm sorry, I need to see what I'm doing. These girls are experts. The girls that I be seeing on YouTube, I can't do it. And they make thin lips look so full with just lip liner, and I don't know how they do it. I mean, I've seen lipless girls. It's crazy. And I got more lips than them. Like so. So, yeah, she told me to start with the top, and then just like if I was tracing. So that's that. This is the Big Hype. Big Hype Rihanna lipstick. This how the girls be going? Yeah. So I can't tell you exactly what color it is, but it looks like red. But I know I'm sure it has a color. I got rid of the box. So just a second. And here we go. And then apply like so. Like if I was painting or coloring. And I like chapstick. During the winter time, I wear a lot of chapstick. I like Burt's Bee. Nice color. What do you guys think? Please subscribe to my channel. Something's going on here. So, okay, I don't know, something went darker. Okay, so I'm sorry guys, that was my fall. And we continue applying it like so. I don't wear foundation to cover my imperfections. I don't. Now, if I'm going to a wedding, I apply a little bit of mineral powder is what I have. That is what I wear. I do have a pencil for my eyebrows, but I have thick eyebrows. Let me tell you, going to school, I used to go to school in Brooklyn, New York, and I was growing up with six sisters and 2 brothers in one apartment. There was always one of us was always fighting. So we were Pentecostal. So it was church, school, home, church, school, home. So my mom would not let me pluck my eyebrows. So I had a whole unibrow. I mean, these kids bullied me. I was so bullied in school. I couldn't wear pants. I nothing but skirts. Then I had hairy legs. My mom would not let me shave my legs. I was bullied because of my legs. I was bullied because of my big forehead. They said they could use it as a handball court. And I was bullied for my unibrow. I mean, it was ridiculous how I was bullied. I mean, kids can be really mean in school, and it's just, I can't believe it still exists, and it's pretty bad out there. So anyway, so the lips are done. I am going to put a little bit I'm going to pencil my eyebrows just a bit. See, I have a nail filer. See, it's majorly lipsticks. That's what I have. Lipsticks. My niece gave me a nice MAC. I've been wearing this one. I bought this one at Sephora as well. The one girl, when she applied it, she did a better job than the one I went to after Christmas with my daughter. The one that did this one, she made my lips look really full. So I was contemplating on getting that thing where you suck, but I'm like, you know what, that's being vain. And at one point, I used to love vanity. But every now and then, I like to put makeup on. So it's NYX, and some stuff, my lipsticks and my eyeliners I get at Sephora, but everything else I get at Rite Aid or CVS. So this is NYX. This is how the girls be doing NYX. This light is not doing justice. NYX Micro. So on one end you have the pencil, and on one end you have the brush. So I'll go and brush it. See, I'm telling you, I had a whole unibrow. Brush it like so. Like so. And then use the other side and you paint them. It's amazing the things that are out there now, for us girls to beautify ourselves. And even guys that like to wear makeup, I follow this one guy. He's amazing. I forgot his name, but he's amazing at the makeup. I mean, he gives the best tips and advice, what not to do, what to do. But I haven't looked in a while, so I'm just doing this for fun, I want this to be a fun room. I really want that stepper and Sears. It's a Nordic track. It's a stepper Nordic track. It's amazing. Oh my God, that would definitely put hard in my legs and my glutes. Yeah, glutes. So that's as much. I do my eyebrows every now and then, but what I like is eyeliner. I'm not going to wear eyeliner because it is 20 to 10 and I don't want to have to be in the shower rubbing that off. So that's it. So it's Rihanna. It's Fenty Beauty. Fenty Beauty. Voila. I literally saw a guy when on YouTube when he received it. His reaction was so hilarious. I was just laughing so hard. So this is why it was available the day that I did go to Sephora, because they had ran out and it was the it thing to get for these past holidays. But Fenty Beauty. And I don't know if I can see the color. So you guys see it's like red. So yeah, I do wear, I have also long lashes. So every now and then when I'm going to go out, I'll put some long lashes. But that's about it. That was a quick makeup tutorial. This is kind of like a primer. I should have put this on first. But the one girl told me that, you know, this dries up. It's like a matte. So that day, it was kind of wet, but I guess it was because of the lip liner. So it's pretty good. Yep. It's pretty good. So I do recommend it. I like it because it lasts all day. It does last all day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe because little by little, this room is going to get improved. I really want that stepper. Oh my God, it's at tears. And I will put it there and I will be talking to you guys while I'm working out. I got my weights. I got more weights downstairs. So it's gonna be my fun room, workout room. I'm also gonna be praying here. So if you have any great ideas, please leave comments below and give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great one. Bye-bye.